Hello, let me introduce you to the KS 4000-IEHS CO inverter generator from the German brand Könner&Söhnen, successfully distributed in over 20 European countries and tested by demanding European consumers. The KS 4000-IEHS CO is a high-quality, reliable and quite powerful inverter generator equipped with an electric start and based on a reliable KNS engine. With a starting power of 4000 watts and a running power of 3500 watts, the generator can offer several advantages. This is the perfect solution for a backup power for household appliances, the power tools and other devices, including sensitive equipment. It works on both gasoline and liquefied gas, propane. It enables fuel savings of up to 50% through an efficient operating mode. A low noise level of 62 decibels only, equipped with an electric start, a multifunctional LED display and a CO sensor, a powerful 30 amp outlet and the capability for parallel connection. This generator is easy to use and will be a great assistant to home for outdoor activities, travel, trailers or events. The KS 4000-IEHS CO belongs to inverter generator series ranging from 1800 to 5500 watts. This is one of the models that works on both gasoline and liquefied gas, propane. Könner&Söhnen equipment is produced under the control of German engineers and passed various tests in Germany. It holds all necessary quality certificates, both European and American. Now let's take a look at the model in more detail. The integrated modern electronic unit with a microprocessor control ensures a stable sinusoidal output voltage of 120 volts and 60 Hz. This voltage is ideal for a reliable operation of modern sensitive technology. The KS 4000-IEHS CO generator runs on both gasoline and liquefied gas, propane. It comes with a hose and reducer, and all you need to do is connect the generator to your gas cylinder. This generator has the branded KNS engine, designed by German engineers, specifically for Könner&Söhnen. The main benefits of KNS engine are its high efficiency, the long-lasting stable performance, and enhanced durability. The generator's high-quality alternator with 100% copper winding can withstand maximum loads without any damage. The 3-in-1 multifunctional engine switch provides an incredibly easy and convenient way to start the generator. It contains the functions of a fuel valve, an air choke and an engine electric start. The KS 4000-IEHS CO generator is equipped with all the necessary protective functions, including the CO2 sensor monitoring carbon monoxide levels. Additionally, it has overload and start circuit protection, low oil load protection, and monitoring of all operational indicators. All these indicators, along with voltage frequency, the working hours, are displayed on the multifunctional LED display. Eco Mode enables fuel savings of up to 50% of an engine's lifespan and promises quieter generator working process. Moreover, the generator's panel includes reset button for system control reset and power supply restoration, overload protection switches, powerful 30 amp socket and two 20 amp sockets, USB Type-A and USB Type-C Quick Charge 3.0, a 12-volt output designed for a standard car socket, an integrated battery charging port, parallel connection socket. You can combine two generators and increase the output power with KS PU1-US device. The KS 4000-IEHS CO model weighs only 88 pounds, and its dimensions are absolutely perfect for a generator this size. The generator is equipped with a transportation kit, including 2 wheels and a handle. This is a high-quality and extremely convenient generator. The reliability has already been appreciated by a lot of European consumers. The Könner&Söhnen KS 4000-IEHS CO generator comes with a kit that includes a hose with a regulator, a spark plug wrench and a screwdriver, and also a fill-in funnel. The quality and reliability of our technology are acknowledged by international experts and prestigious awards. If you purchase KS 4000 IHS CO generator from the Könner&Söhnen brand, you won't miss a chance to make sure that German quality traditions are available to everyone.